Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2010 Jaguar XF. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching out at the bottom here. We go over to the screen. It's picked up Jaguar already on here. We go over to the screen. If it's not on this screen already, just click home, then onto phone. There's nothing paired, so it's asking me, would you like to search for a new phone now? Yes. Barry's iPhone not paired, pair and dock. So we've got Jaguar there, we click pair and dock. It's saying 0960 0960 pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. Let's see, is it already Jaguar there? We'll just wait for that to connect. Jaguar connected, phone docked. That's it. It's as easy as that.